Hey guys, it's Sharon from Digital Nomad Quest, and today we're going to go over 6 ways to make money on Instagram. Now, if you guys are new to this channel, welcome. I'm all about teaching y'all how to build passive income, become financially free, and design your best life. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified of my latest videos. So since Instagram has shifted more towards video content over photo content, I believe there's more monetization options for creators. There's been a lot of different unique ways to make money, and that's why I want to talk about Instagram today. In the past, I feel like the money maker was more YouTube, and it's a little bit harder to monetize on Instagram, but now there are a lot of different ways you can actually make money, and that's why I wanted to go over this video today. I had a few people actually request this from me because I made an Instagram video where I talked about how I wanted to buy a rental property through Instagram, and I talked about the different ways I was making money on the platform, which prompted a lot of people asking me, how do you actually make money on Instagram? So let's just get right into the 6 different ways. So the first way is IGTV ads. So Instagram has IGTV, which basically lets you upload longer form video content. And with IGTV ads, you're basically allowing brands to run ads on your videos. In May of 2020, Instagram began sharing revenue on 15-second ads played on their IGTV videos. So if you're an eligible creator, they're going to actually notify you to onboard. Now, to set it up, you have to have a creator account on Instagram. You're going to head to your creator account settings, and then you're going to enable the monetization option for in-stream video ads. And then from there, you're going to post your videos as usual. So this is IGTV, this is not Reels. And generally, they show one ad per video, and you're going to receive 55% of the revenue generated per view. This is basically the same as YouTube, where they take a 45% cut, and this is all based on views. And then with this, payments are issued monthly. According to the help section, your video has to be at least 1 minute long. It has to be in English, Spanish, German, or French, and it can't violate intellectual property rights. So the great thing about IGTV ads is basically passive income. I would say it's not as searchable as YouTube, but whenever people go to your IGTV section on your Instagram page and start watching your videos, you can still make passive income from those views. One tactic I like doing is actually repurposing my YouTube videos onto Instagram and putting those as IGTV videos because I can actually make money from those ads. Now let's get into number 2, which is live badges. Live badges are tips that you can receive during your live. It's basically like Twitch or TikTok, where people are sending you gifts. You can buy 1 heart for 99 cents, 2 hearts for $1.99, and 3 hearts for $4.99. So when you're in the live, you can actually see heart symbols next to the comments of people who purchase them. Now, in order to get this enabled, you need to have a professional account. It can be creator or a business account, and you need to be at least 18 years old. You also have to have at least 10,000 followers for this option. Now, in order to apply, you can tap apply for monetization in your professional dashboard, and then to complete, you're going to tap submit application. In order to make more money through live badges, you might want to promote your lives more often. Maybe let them know you have a scheduled broadcast at like 5 p.m. PST. Let them know when they can expect you, and basically interact with your fans, maybe teach them a lesson, and hopefully you can get some live badges. So I don't really monetize through this method too much, but I'm sure some creators make a lot of money through live badges. Now, number 3 is bonuses. Bonuses are opportunities for you to earn money directly from Instagram. If you qualify to earn a bonus, they're going to notify you on the app, and you can just enable it. So in the beginning, they had a badges bonus. I think it ended already, but I participated in a little bit. I think I made like $100 from the program. Basically, their badges bonus was to promote their live badges. They had 3 different milestones. Milestone 1 was $100 when you go live with badges once for at least 15 minutes. Milestone 2 was $150 when you go live with badges with another account for at least 30 minutes. So basically going live with another Instagram creator for a minimum of 30 minutes. Milestone 3 was $250 when you go live with badges for at least 15 minutes once per week. So I guess I only completed milestone 1, and then I remember someone actually gave me a live badge when I had it enabled during a live. So that was pretty cool. So that was that for the badges bonus. But now they actually have a Reels Play program that's currently going on right now. So with the Reels Play program, Facebook committed to investing over $1 billion in programs for creators through 2022. So for my current bonus, I can make a maximum of $8,500 if I hit 9.28 million views on my Reels in 1 month time span. So this is actually the third time I've been in this program. So once it ended, it just actually allowed me to go back into the program again. But every time I've done it, I've basically made about $1,000. I wasn't able to hit 9 million views or anything like that, but $1,000 is still good. Some creators are actually getting offered $35,000 if their reels hits 58.31 million views in a month, while other creators were offered a max of $850 for their bonus. So the Reels Play bonus program is going to differ for different creators. They might have different maximums for the amount of money they can make. I personally think bonuses is really exciting. I hope that Instagram keeps rolling these out because you can actually make a decent amount of money through bonuses. Now, number 4, you can work with brands. So I've worked with many different brands, only the ones that I actually vet out and care about, because I don't want to make posts for random companies that I don't know anything about. So I want to make sure that they have a product that I actually think is good. So when you start getting into sponsorships, brands may approach you and see if you can make a reel for them or an image post, and they'll have different criteria for you and give you compensation for promoting their products. Now, when you're doing these sponsorships, you should add the paid partnership label on Instagram. So they have a little toggle for you to add it, and also add the brand partner that you're partnering with. And this is to follow FTC guidelines. So you want to make sure people know that you are getting paid for that piece of content. So you want to add that paid partnership label, but also hashtag maybe ad or sponsored. Sponsorships can be a great way to talk about some products you really like and give people value. So sponsorships are a great way to kind of benefit everyone. You give more awareness to the brand and the product that you believe in to the audience. You also help the company get them more views or more signups or whatever. And of course, you also make money from doing it. If you guys want more information on sponsorships, maybe I'll make another video on it. Let me know if you guys are interested. Number 5, you can also make money through affiliate links. So affiliate links are essentially unique referral links that you can put in your content, and whenever people click it and maybe purchase something, you get a small commission. In order to find affiliate programs to join, you can go on affiliate networks like impact.com or ShareSale. These are affiliate networks where you can start searching for brands and products that you like and sign up for their affiliate programs, and then they'll generate those links for you. You can also find affiliate programs by just searching for your favorite products on Google and checking if they have affiliate programs. If they don't actually have an affiliate program, you could actually even contact companies and see if they can create an affiliate program. I have a friend who actually got a company to create an affiliate program for him so that he can promote the product. Now, Instagram lets you put your link in bio. It also lets you put links in your stories. Same thing with affiliate links. You should disclose with a hashtag or let people know that it's an affiliate link. So in my link in bio, I do write at the top, as some of these are affiliate links, so that people know that if they buy through your link, you get a little commission. Affiliate links are kind of the same thing where it's a win-win for everyone. You help give value to your audience, the brand makes money, and you make money as well. So in order to monetize with affiliate links, you might have a link tree in the link in your bio where you talk about the different products you use and how it can benefit them. And then when it comes to promoting those links, you can also make reels or feed posts where you talk about the product. So sometimes I do tutorials on reels of me using the product and letting people know that I believe in it or I use it, and people might be interested based off of your tutorial and sign up through your link. Last but not least, number 6, you can sell products. So you can promote through the link in your bio, but Instagram also released IG Shopping, which is essentially like your own e-commerce store. IG Shopping is great, but it's not available for digital products or services yet. So I don't really use IG Shopping, but for people who sell products, this can be a great way to list your products. In order to be eligible, you have to operate in a supported market. You have to have an e-commerce site where you sell products. Businesses also now can sell through lives, which means you can buy products in real time during the live. Now, people can buy through your Instagram page directly, or they can shop and go to your link. Now, if you use Instagram's checkout, they do have different transaction fees. So according to their business help center, the selling fee is 5% per shipment, or a flat fee of 40 cents for shipments of $8 or less. And Instagram checkout also means you might lose out on valuable data. So you might not be able to get their emails, for example, because communications are handled by Instagram rather than the brand directly. Now, people actually say Instagram helps them with their shopping experience. So 83% discover new products or services on Instagram. So people are using Instagram to kind of find products to shop for. So it's actually a great way to make money. So in a sense, I do sell digital products on Instagram, but I don't use IG Shopping. I just put it in the link in my bio, for example. example, for some of my offerings like courses or my property analysis calculator. So I have some of those things in the link in my bio. And it actually is a great way to generate business. But again, if you do have your own e-commerce products, you should definitely check out Instagram shopping and see their capabilities. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this episode on 6 different ways you can make money through Instagram. Things may change over time though, so just FYI, some of these things that I talked about, like the different criteria to get accepted or the different transaction fees through Instagram shopping, like all these different things can change over time. But I try to make this video updated to current time as of filming this video. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys have any other thoughts on ways to monetize on Instagram, go ahead and leave me a comment below. Smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell button to be notified of my latest videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.